97% of companies are going to replace at least one job position with AI this year. And the crazy part, most people have no idea which jobs are on the chopping block. I spent 3 weeks testing the most powerful AI tools on the planet, and what I found actually terrified me. Number 7 on this list literally made me question my entire career. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Steven, and if you are watching this channel, you already know AI is changing everything. But today, I'm not giving you the usual fluffy AI news. I'm showing you the exact truths that companies are deploying right now to replace human workers. I tested every single one myself. The results? Some of them are genuinely scary good. Before we start, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Every week I test the latest AI news so you don't have to waste your time. Let's go. Here's the reality check. According to McKinsey's latest report, generative AI could automate up to 30% of work hours across the global economy. That's not in some distant future. That's happening now. I look at 200 plus job posting on LinkedIn last week. 40% of them now list AI proficiency as a requirement, not preferred, require. The tools on the list, they are not prototypes. They are production ready. Companies are already paying for them, and the only thing standing between you and being replaced is knowing what they can do. So let's count them down. Number 10, Crowd by Anthropic. Now you have probably heard of ChatGPT, right? But Crowd is quietly become the go-to AI for knowledge workers. Why? Because it can read and analyze 200k tokens of text at once. That means you can upload entire books, legal contracts, or code bases, and it actually understands the full context. I tested it again, ChatGPT, on summarizing a 50-page research paper. Crowd cost details that ChatGPT completely missed. If your job involves reading and analyzing documents, legal, research, compliance, Crowd is already better than most junior employees. For example, the tech company and some legal company like in Big 5, Top 5, and also some the big company like all of this. Number 9, 11 Labs. Number 9, 11 Labs. This is the AI voice generation tool that's disrupting voice acting, audiobook narration, and customer service. I clone my own voice with just 30 seconds of audio. The result, 99% indistinguishable from the real thing. But here's where it gets really crazy. Companies are now using 11 Labs for customer service phone lines, training videos, and podcasts. No recording studio, no voice actors, no retakes. Just type the text and it sounds like professional voice artist. If you are a voice actor, I'm sorry, but this is a real threat. Number 8, Midjourney V6. Look at this image. Look at this image. Can you tell me which one are AI generated, I'm vague. The answer is all of them, every single one. Midjourney V6 produces photorealistic image that fool even professional photographers. Marketing agencies are already replacing stock photo purchases and even some photo shoots with Midjourney. Cost comparison. A professional product photo shoot costs 2,000 to 10K. Midjourney Pro is $60 per month for unlimited images. You do the math. Number seven, and this is the one that scared me. Devin by Connection Labs. Devin is an autonomous AI software engineer, not a code completion tool like Copilot. An actual AI that can plan, code, debug, and deploy entire projects on its own. I gave it a task. Build a weather app with the API integration. Devin planned the architecture, wrote the code, tested it, and deployed it. In 45 minutes, a human developer would take 2 to 3 days for the same task. If you are a junior developer, you need to watch this closely. Number 6, Synthesia. An AI video generation from text. You type a script, pick an avatar, and it creates a professional video with a human-looking presenter. 140 past languages, 230 avatars, and the quality is getting better every month. Companies are replacing video production teams, training video creators, and even some marketing video shoot with Synthesia. A 10-minute training video that used to cost $5,000 and take a week to produce, now it takes 10 minutes and costs almost nothing. Number 5, Perplexity AI. Think of a ChatGPT but connected to the entire internet in real time. Every answer comes with sources, no hallucinations, no making things up. I tested it against Google for 50 research queries. Perplexity gave better, more accurate answers in 70% of cases, and it does something Google can. It synthesizes information from multiple sources into a coherent answer. If your job involves research, fact-checking, or information synthesis, Perplexity is already faster and more thorough than most humans. Number 4, Cursor. This is the AI power code editor that's making developers 5 to 10 times more productive. It's basically VS Code on steroids with AI built into every feature. I reviewed one of my old projects using Cursor. What took me 2 weeks originally took 3 days with Cursor. It writes codes, understands your entire database, fixes bugs automatically, and even suggests architectural improvements. Here's the thing. If one developer with Cursor can do the work of 3 to 5 developers without it, what does that mean for team sizes? Exactly. Number 3, Runway Gen 3. AI video generation that produces film quality clips from text description. The quality has gotten insane in the last few months. Production studios are already using for pre-visualization, B-roll, and even some final shots. The cost a fraction of traditional video production. A fraction of traditional video production. We are probably 2 to 3 years away from AI being able to generate entire short films, maybe less. Number 2, Google's AlphaFold 3. This one is for the scientists and researchers. AlphaFold can predict protein structures with near perfect accuracy. What used to take researchers months of lab work now takes seconds on a computer. Drug discovery, material science, genetic research, AlphaFold is accelerating all of them by orders of magnitude. This isn't replacing jobs, it's a replacing entire research teams. Last but not least, and the number one AI tools that going to replace your jobs in 2025, this is what you're waiting, is the combination of all of them working together. Here's what most people don't understand. None of these tools alone replaces a person. No. But when you chain them together, Cloud for research, 11 Labs for voice, Midjourney for visual, Runway for video, you can now create content, build products, do research, and run campaigns that used to require entire teams. So what's the takeaway? Am I saying AI is going to take all our jobs? No. But it is going to change what work means. The people who learn to use these tools will replace the people who don't. It's that simple. Here's my advice. 1. Pick one tool from this list and master it this week. Number 2. Start using AI in your daily work, even for small tasks. Number 3. On skills AI can do: creative thinking, human connection, complex problem solving that will help you. Last but not least, number 4, stay informed. Subscribe to this channel where I test new tools every week. Subscribe my channel. That's good. That's the best for you, and you'll get what you need. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI versus human without AI. Make sure you are on the right side. If this video helped you see what's coming, smash that if this video helped you see what's coming, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people who need to see it. Drop a comment telling me which tool surprised you the most. I read every single one. And if you want to see me test more AI tools and show you exactly how to use them, subscribe and hit the bell. I got a crazy one coming next week that you wouldn't want to miss. See you next time.